let's get right into one of Palantir's latest partnerships. Palantir, the data analytics giant we all know and love, has teamed up with one of the largest banks in Europe, Societe Generale, headquartered in Paris, France. Now, you might be wondering, why is this such a big deal? Well, first off, why don't you stop asking stupid questions? Cause I was gonna tell you anyway. We'll break down all the usual, what this partnership means, what Palantir brings to the table, and why this is crucial for both companies. First though, let's start with Societe Generale. For those who aren't familiar, this is a French, multinational banking and financial services company, and one of Europe's largest. It's been around since 1864, and it operates in over 60 countries. So we're talking about a major player in the global finance market. They provide a wide range of services from retail banking to investment banking, asset management, and insurance. Now, this partnership with Palantir is pretty interesting, given the financial industry's growing need for data-driven insights. And of course, Palantir is an American company that specializes in advanced data analytics and software that helps organizations process vast amounts of data to make better and more informed decisions. Palantir's platforms like Foundry are used by corporations, and their Gotham software is used by governments, except for commie governments that hate freedom of speech. Sorry, China and North Korea. So why is this partnership such a big deal for Palantir? Well, Palantir has primarily worked with government agencies in the past, and they're looking to expand into the commercial sector, which I might add they've been doing a good job of. But their contracts with the US governments are legendary. However, this partnership with Societe Generale opens up an area of the business world that Palantir has plenty of room to grow in, the financial sector. Of course, Palantir already has software working for financial corporations as I speak, but this is just another win for them. By working with one of Europe's biggest banks, Palantir isn't only tapping into a huge market, they're also showing that their technology can play a significant role in transforming the world of finance and banking. This is a huge step in diversifying their client base, which could lead to even more lucrative partnerships down the line. And furthermore, this partnership is centered around improving risk management, fraud detection, and compliance. Societe Generale will be using Palantir to monitor financial risks and detect fraudulent activity. So, with Palantir's powerful software, the bank will quickly be able to analyze massive amounts of financial data, identifying patterns that could indicate risky behavior or fraud that might otherwise fly under the radar. Which makes sense, because in the financial world, as you can imagine, the stakes are incredibly high. A single misstep in risk management could lead to massive losses, legal implications, and reputational damage. And with the financial industry becoming more digital, the need to analyze complex data efficiently has never been greater. And as we all know, Palantir's platforms are designed to sift through enormous datasets, making them perfect for helping banks stay ahead of potential threats and identify opportunities faster. For Societe Generale, this partnership is a major win. Not only will they be able to streamline the risk management processes, but they'll also have a cutting-edge tool at their disposal to stay competitive in a fast-moving industry. With cybersecurity threats, regulatory changes, and volatile markets constantly affecting the financial world, having a robust system to anticipate and mitigate risks is crucial. And I think this partnership is going to position Societe Generale as a forward-thinking institution that's embracing the power of data to stay on top of financial opportunities. And what does this mean for Palantir's future? Well, I guess we'll see, but if Palantir continues to build major relationships with major financial institutions, it could open up the door to even more partnerships with banks, insurers, investment firms, and even crypto exchanges. So as Palantir diversifies its client base beyond government contracts, its growth potential becomes even more enormous. And as financial institutions continue to digitize, I think the demand for Palantir's technology will only increase. Honestly, this is a strong signal of the growing importance of data analytics in every industry. For Palantir, this opens up new opportunities for growth, while for Societe Generale, it's a step towards staying ahead of the curve in an increasingly data-driven world. And speaking of growing data-driven worlds, Palantir is also revolutionizing how ships are built. Ships of the future that rely on tight supply chains, artificial intelligence, and vast amounts of data. To understand more about this, definitely check out this video next. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.